Give me this one that you covered yourself.
I'm feeling cold.
So, why not you?
Can't you see it's very short that? You should see it's very. I beg you.
Why can't you go and wear sweater?
Sweater. I need someone to cover me with a sweater. Everything is sweater. When you sweater, you feel this one. I need hugging. Like, please. Ay, my pressure working yo. I beg no dey video me leave me alone. Why they laugh?
I think that I did. If I had it all in the
We are feeling cold. This one is not feeling cold though. Oh boy, this girl thick. It's thick. Hey, your husband will enjoy you. See skin be like me. Be like. See this one where they here. Imagination one killer. Imagination one killer. Eh? Imagination. Like what? How are you feeling? You're feeling cold. Do you desire to like cuddle something?
I need sweater.
You do? Inside this sweater, I don't need cuddle. Okay, sweater and the cuddle. Which one do you prefer?
That one is exercise.
Which one is exercise? Cuddle. How the cuddle take the exercise? Guys, tell me in the comment section. Sweater and cuddle, which one do you prefer? In this weather, tell me the truth. Oh. Talk the truth. This one saying a sweater I want. You dey pretend, a pretender. Ada, which one do you want? Sweater or cuddle? Me, I need cuddle. Na cuddle me I want. Una don't need na cuddle in want. For she not to say anything. Una know na. Onya roll.
Why are you laughing?